Alright, so today's gonna be another tape read day because the DX trade is still down. Right now I'm waiting till 9 to wait for this last 4-hour candle to close because I could play bullish and bearish. We got huge bullish SMT on the bigger time frame. I could show you guys right here. This is let me switch that. But you see ES, we have huge bullish SMT. And then if you drop down to the 4-hour, we have a 4-hour bearish SMT, small bearish SMT up here. But that could be the one that ends up holding. So you want to play you want to make sure you can play both sides. So what I'm waiting for, the reason why I'm waiting for 9 is because we're inside this bearish fair value gap right here. ES is kind of past it, but I want to see if NQ respects it or if it closes out of it, then I'll know what side I'm going to play. And then we're also on a 1-hour fair value gap as well. Got this fair value gap right here on NQ. If we hold it, we could be seeing more upside. And if we blow past it, then we could be going down. The quarterly profile that I'm seeing is XAMD this morning. And it's crazy because we actually do have a small SMT right here in the manipulation phase. So we could see some bullishness because of that. So we're just gonna have to wait and see until 9. One thing I see here is like, bro, you see how ES is just constantly respecting this 1-hour fair value gap right here? I don't know if I can see that, but let me mark it out for y'all, bro. It's just constantly like respecting it. You see the huge wicks, it's respecting it. NQ's bullish fair value gap is getting blown through right now, but we still got 8 minutes. Well, we still got 9 minutes, but for me, it can react and just flip either way. So that's why it's important to just like be patient and wait till it tells you what it wants to do. All right, so the 4-hour candle did close. I was hoping for YM to come up here and take this high and give us a bearish SMT, which I mean, we still technically do have a bearish SMT. YM took this high and NQ and ES didn't. So we have a bearish SMT right now. So I probably look to play bearish, bro, because we respected this 4-hour gap right here. If we drop down to the hourly, we blew past this gap. It wasn't a huge, we didn't just full on disrespect it, but it's still a disrespect at the end of the day. It closed outside of the gap. So we got that. And then with ES, I actually didn't check ES yet. Okay, so ES closed out. Okay, this is interesting, bro. ES closed outside of the bearish fair value gap, which would mean that we're going higher, right? So I mean, we're kind of getting two different plays here. I don't know. I might have to wait for more information. So going off order flow and like the SMT that we do currently have, I probably would play more bearish, but I don't really know how comfortable I am trading this price action, you know? I mean, bro, this is just a full-on chop session right here. Feel me? NQ, I mean, bro, there's nothing here. I ain't gonna lie. It's just chopping up. There's really nothing here. Ideally, for me to be bearish, I would have wanted YM to take this high so we could have that bearish SMT, because I don't really like this one. It is an SMT, but it's not like a major SMT. If YM took this high though, we would have like a major SMT. So and I think it might do that. So I mean, PM session might be the move for today. If YM takes it, then we could possibly find something, but I feel like it might take it a little bit too late for the AM session. So we'll have to see, man. If I'm being honest, I don't really think we're gonna get anything good during AM session, bro. Just looking at it, like, bro, I mean, bro, this is disgusting, bro. This is disgusting. So I don't know. I might wait for PM session to find something, but we'll have to just wait and see, bro. Because there's no news today. There's no high impact news that'll move the markets. There's nothing. So we just gotta actually just wait. So I'm actually thinking that we're bearish until we hit this hourly fair value gap. The only thing is there's not really an entry. All right, I already checked. I'm checking every time frame. There's not really an entry we can get in on, bro. So I think there would just be like no trade for this morning. All right, so we're probably not gonna find anything to the bearish side to take, because it's about to hit this guy pretty soon. So what I'm thinking is we wait for it to tap this gap and have a higher time frame SMT. I mean, have a SMT and a higher time frame PD array, and then we look for buys, because it's not going to end up sweeping this low. We have this SMT, it's not going to end up sweeping this low before NQ gets to that gap. So in my opinion, it'll be better to look for longs and just let this bearish move play out. You know, it's still pretty early. It's still only it's 9:26 right now, so we still got a lot of time. All right, looks like we're getting ready for a trade here. Reasons for this trade is that we have that higher time frame SMT and that higher time frame PD array. We have SMT on the 1 minute at these lows right here with NQ, and we're also making the bullish breaker block formation. Let me know we're ready to go bullish. So this is my trade will look like. Literally targets would just be all that low resistance liquidity, bro. I'd probably take off like damn near like 50-75% at this high though, but I don't even know if I want to hold all the way up there. That's a large move right there, but we'll see if we even get tapped. We might not even get tapped in. One thing I do want to be careful of is YM coming up here and taking this high and creating SMT again, so we got to watch out for that. We would have been tapped in here. I'd probably look to take something off at this data high right here. Yeah, that's pretty much the update. Just made another SMT at the lows. See if this one holds. All right, so it looks like we're getting pretty close to hitting our first take profit. Right here, I ain't gonna lie, I'm trimming half off, and then I'll leave a runner for all that low resistance liquidity that we got built up. Let me show y'all real quick. Literally, you can just see it. We got all this low resistance right here. Everything. This could all be a target. So I'll just leave the rest of that on, the rest of it on the other 50%, and we'll see. Oh my gosh, this thing is running. Stops are at break even at this point. You can see we almost got stopped out before it came and hit our first take profit. I wasn't tweaking though, because I knew it just came down and made an SMT with ES. But at this point, after moving after taking half off, my stops are at break even. All right, so we would have been out at break even here. So still would have been up on the day, just not fully what we wanted, which is okay, because that's a part of trading. So remember how I told you guys I was leaning like bearish, more bearish today than bullish? Yeah, that actually ended up playing out super good. I just noticed, because I had these SMTs marked out. We had that SMT with YM, and then we also had it on a smaller time frame, confirming it right here. So the only thing is, when I noticed it, there was like no entry, because remember, I was waiting for 9 p.m. to see how the 4-hour candle closes. So this right here would have been my only entry point, and it was off of this tiny fair value gap. You can't really see it, but it would have been off of that, you know. But that trade alone would have, let me see, if I would have took that, had my stop right here, the SMT, and targeted that gap, bro, could have caught a big one, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it could have been a big trade, because that was my whole plan. My whole plan was to be bearish until we got to this gap right here, and we still capitalized off that tiny retracement though, so I'm not mad at it. It goes to show you this trading stuff. You got to be able to play both sides and come up with scenarios for both sides and know when and where you, how do I say this? Know when and where you are at the time you're looking at the charts. I think I said that right, but you just got to be able to recognize where you are, bro. But that's probably gonna wrap it up. I'm not gonna look at PM session because the AM session gave us something and we're able to, come up off of it. So I think that'll wrap it up for the AM session, or just trading in general. Too bad I couldn't place any trades once again. Hopefully it's fixed by Monday, bro. It's Friday right now. Bro, if I can't trade by Monday, I don't really know what to do, because this is just ridiculous, bro. Alright, so right now I'm actually getting, oh shit, this is getting hot. Right now I'm actually getting ready to make some eggs and bread. Got some onions. Bro, I cannot talk. We got some onions. We got some bacon in there. I ain't gonna lie, I don't really eat bacon like that, but I'm just making it like one exception, bro. Just one exception. So this is the finished product. It's like a egg bacon toast thingy, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna just eat this, and then shit, we'll see what life brings, bro. All right, that's probably gonna wrap it up for me. I'm just about to watch this video right here and take some notes. And yeah, I'm just gonna call it quits there. So if you guys enjoy, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, comment down below what else you guys want to see, and I'll see y'all in the next one.